Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing Airalo, the travel eSIM service that lets you connect to mobile data anywhere in the world without needing a physical SIM card. Airalo makes it super easy to get online when traveling. You just download the app, buy a data plan for your destination, install the eSIM, and you're connected as soon as you land. It's available in over 200 countries and regions, which makes it one of the most convenient options for frequent travelers. One of the biggest advantages of Airalo is the convenience. You don't have to hunt for a local SIM card at the airport or worry about swapping SIMs. Everything is done digitally. Pricing is also reasonable. Short-term data plans start at just a few dollars, and they're often much cheaper than roaming fees from your regular carrier. Performance-wise, the experience depends on where you're traveling. In most major cities, speeds are solid and connections are reliable. However, in some remote areas or smaller countries, users have reported slower speeds or occasional disconnections. Another thing to keep in mind is that most Airalo plans are data only. That means you can use messaging apps and VoIP calls, but not regular phone calls or SMS. For many travelers, that's fine, but it can be inconvenient if you rely on text verification or local calls. Customer support is available through the app, and while responses can sometimes take a while, the team is usually helpful in solving activation or connection issues. Overall, Airalo is a great option for travelers who want a simple, fast, and affordable way to stay connected abroad. It's especially useful for digital nomads, solo travelers, and anyone tired of expensive roaming charges. If you want reliable mobile data anywhere you go, Airalo is definitely worth checking out.